Ladies and gentlemen, creators, hustlers, and curious minds. Let's talk about something crazy. Something bold. Something you've probably seen pop up in a YouTube thumbnail or a viral TikTok video. I'm talking about this wild idea. Can you take a single dollar, just one, and turn it into $1,000 in only 24 hours, using nothing but Facebook Marketplace? Sounds impossible, right? Sounds like clickbait? Maybe. But stick with me, because this challenge is more than just a flashy title or a stunt for views. It's a real test of creativity, hustle, and smart thinking. And honestly, it's one of the most entertaining and inspiring challenges you can take on or watch. Let's break it down. Why even try this? Think about it. We live in a world where people make money in all kinds of unconventional ways. You can sell digital art, flip thrift store finds, trade crypto, or live stream yourself cooking noodles for strangers on the internet. The game has changed. But this challenge? It's old school. It's raw. It strips everything down to a single dollar, no fancy tools, no sponsors, no big following, no e-commerce store. Just you, your phone, and your hustle. That's why people love watching it. And that's why creators love doing it. Why Facebook Marketplace? You might be wondering, why Facebook Marketplace? Why not eBay, Amazon, or some flipping app? Because Facebook Marketplace is fast. It's local. It's direct. It's the digital version of the street hustle, and it puts you face to face, well, screen to screen, with real people who are just trying to buy or sell something today. There's no shipping, no waiting, no fees in most cases. You can message someone, agree on a price, and pick up an item within the hour. If you've got street smarts and some energy, you can make magic happen there. Real flips. Real money. Real stories. The psychology of the challenge. Now, let's be honest. It's not just about flipping stuff. This challenge plays with your mind. It forces you to think differently. You start with $1. That's barely enough to buy a pack of gum. So what do? You get creative. You get scrappy. Maybe you buy a half-broken phone charger and sell it for $3. Maybe you find someone selling old VHS tapes for pennies and discover one is worth $20 to a collector. Maybe you buy a set of dusty tools for $10 and flip them for $40. Every small win feels like a massive success. Every deal gets you one step closer to the goal. And the clock? It's always ticking. The 24-hour pressure cooker. Now let's add the real kicker, you only have 24 hours. That's it. No extensions. No, I'll finish this tomorrow. You wake up, you start with $1, and by the same time tomorrow, you better have $1,000, or at least you better have tried your heart out. It becomes a race, not just against the marketplace or the money, but against yourself. Can you stay focused? Can you make quick decisions? Can you deal with flaky buyers? Can you stay motivated even when the profits seem small? It's mentally exhausting. But it's also thrilling. That's why people love watching it, it's a story. There's tension. Stakes. Emotion. Turning this into a killer video. If you're a content creator, let me tell you, this is gold. You've got every ingredient for a viral hit. A clear challenge with specific goals. Real tension and time pressure. Story arcs, ups, downs, surprises, wins. A personal journey that viewers can relate to. You can film your phone screen while messaging sellers. You can show quick clips of item pickups, sales, and cash exchanges. You can narrate your thought process. Okay, I just bought this mini fan for $2. I think I can flip it for $10. Let's list it now and hope someone bites before noon. Add timestamps on the screen. Use split screens. Show a running total of your earnings. Let the audience feel the grind. Let them feel the pressure with you. And by the end of the video, whether you make $1,000 or just $112, it doesn't matter. What matters is the experience. The effort. The hustle. Lessons hidden in the hustle. Here's what's beautiful about this challenge: it teaches you real business skills in a fun, low-risk way. Negotiation, you learn how to talk, how to persuade, how to offer value. Sales, you practice selling under pressure. Time management, you have to prioritize which deals to chase and which to skip. Problem solving, what happens when something doesn't sell? Do you drop the price? Trade it? Bundle it? It's the grind of entrepreneurship, compressed into 24 hours of real-world lessons. And the best part? You can do this in any city. You don't need to be rich. You don't need fancy gear. Just the willingness to try. Final words. So, can you flip $1 into $1,000 in a day? Maybe. Maybe not. But that's not really the point, is it? The point is the attempt. The creativity. The hustle. The point is showing people, and yourself, that you don't need much to get started. You just need action. So if you're thinking of filming this challenge, go for it. Document the journey. Be honest about the struggle. Show the process. Share the wins. Laugh at the fails. And above all, make it real. Because in a world full of staged content, a genuine story of flipping $1 into something greater? That's what people will remember.